Sensei.
Gravity pulls water in different directions depending on which hemisphere you're on. If you're standing in the southern hemisphere, your toilet will flush clockwise. In the north, we see our toilets flush counterclockwise. But on the equator line, watch as it goes straight down. Other games include balancing an egg on a nail and testing your strength on and off the equator line. Many years ago, Amazonian tribes shrunk heads as trophies for important people. First, they sever the head and remove the skull. They boil it with secret herbs, then stitch the eyes and mouth and stuff it with a hot stone. The cacao in Ecuador produces the richest chocolate in the world. Equator-related science activities and educational indigenous exhibits make Museo Inti Ñan a top place to visit. Unfortunately, they made the poor decision to include live animals as part of the exhibition. Sign the petition link in the description to help these llamas live a normal life. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click subscribe for more Elle Travels Vegan.